Welcome to your guide on how to pass your forklift test the first time. This video will provide you with a confident beginner's guide, covering 30 essential tips to reduce stress and gain more control. The forklift test has 3 essential components: theory, inspection, and practical. The theory section is a written exam with 25 to 30 questions. The inspection is a systematic walk-around for 15 to 20 points. The practical portion is a hands-on assessment lasting 20 to 30 minutes. Remember to practice all 3 equally for success. Avoid guessing the rules. Study official materials, including the safety manual and OSHA regulations. Know your environment, like warehouse protocols and hazard areas. Understand regulations covering load capacity and stability principles. Guessing safety answers is a common cause of failure. Dressing properly shows professionalism and keeps you safe. Ensure you have a hard hat, heave-vis vest, safety boots, and work gloves. All personal protective equipment must be in good condition. Proper gear creates a positive first impression and demonstrates commitment to safety. Arrive 15 to 20 minutes early for your test. This time allows you to check in, observe the environment and layout, and mentally prepare. Early arrival reduces stress, improves focus, and creates a professional impression. Nerves are normal, but focus on staying calm. Use the 4-4-6 deep breathing technique. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6 seconds. Remember, examiners want safe operators. Trust your preparation and channel any nerves into focus. Learn the controls first. Understand the steering wheel, lift lever, tilt control, directional pedals, horn, and parking brake. Never start the engine until you can identify and operate every control confidently. Take 5 minutes to familiarize yourself with the controls. Use the pre-start check to show you inspect the forklift properly. The inspection sequence includes a visual walk-around, fluid level checks, safety systems tests, and documenting findings. Never skip the pre-start check, as it identifies hazards before they cause accidents. Inspect your tires and forks. Check tires for cuts, bulges, and proper inflation. Inspect forks for cracks, bends, or worn heels, ensuring secure mounting. Any damage must be reported immediately, as tire and fork failures cause serious accidents. Inspect fluid levels and look for leaks. Check hydraulic fluid, fuel, engine oil, and coolant. Look underneath for puddles or dripping fluids. If you find issues, do not operate the forklift. Report, tag the equipment, and document your findings. Adjust your seat and mirrors for proper setup and better performance. Check seat position for distance, height, and backrest support. Adjust mirrors to eliminate blind spots. Good ergonomics reduce fatigue and improve reaction time. Adjust everything once for benefits throughout the test. Fasten your seatbelt every time. Tip-overs are the #1 cause of forklift fatalities. Buckling up keeps you safe within the overhead guard. Always buckle up before starting. Check that it clicks and keep it on until shut down. This shows the examiner you take safety seriously. Start smoothly, not fast, as examiners look for control. Use gentle pedal pressure and gradual acceleration, avoiding jerky starts or uncontrolled lurching. Demonstrate confidence and proper technique. Remember, the test is about control and safety. Keep your forks low, between 4 to 6 inches above the ground. This lowers the center of gravity and reduces collision risk. Incorrectly raised forks block your view and create instability, resulting in an automatic test failure. Only raise forks when actively lifting or stacking. Always look in the direction of travel for 360-degree awareness. When reversing, turn your body and head to look back, never relying solely on mirrors. Looking forward while reversing is a serious safety violation. Clear visual awareness prevents collisions and ensures safety. Use the horn at blind spots like corners, doorways, and intersections. Sound the horn with 2 to 3 short blasts well before reaching the hazard. The horn is your primary communication tool in noisy environments. Remember, proper horn use shows situational awareness for everyone's safety. Watch your speed. Going too fast is an easy way to fail. Maintain appropriate speed for conditions, slowing down for corners, wet floors, and narrow aisles. Excessive speed is an automatic failure. Always remember the golden rule: control always trumps speed. Steer smoothly around corners. Approach wide, reduce speed, and use smooth steering to turn gradually, not sharply. Sharp turns can unsettle the load and lose marks. Practice smooth turns to build muscle memory and earn examiner confidence. Understand load balance. Never exceed the rated capacity. The forklift stability depends on keeping the combined center of gravity within the stability triangle. Position loads evenly, Keep the heaviest items low and never overload. Balance, stability, and safety go hand in hand. Insert forks correctly by squaring your approach, leveling the forks, centering them, and inserting them fully until they reach the back of the pallet. Avoid angled approaches or uneven spacing, as these cause load instability or drops. Proper fork positioning prevents damage and ensures safe lifting. Lift with control, raising the load smoothly and steadily. Jerky movements cause load swing and mast vibration, demonstrating poor technique. Lift gently, just clear of the stack. Then check the load stability before moving. Smooth lift means a stable load. Tilt back slightly after lifting, between 2 to 5 degrees, to secure the load against the backrest. This prevents sliding and lowers the center of gravity for safer travel. Never use excessive tilt. Remember to tilt back immediately after lifting and before traveling. Keep the load stable while traveling. If a load appears unstable, stop immediately. Signs of instability include tilting, shifting items, or uneven weight. Lower the load, reposition items evenly, and verify the center of gravity before relifting. A stable load is a safe load. Stack loads carefully with precision. Approach slowly, align directly over the destination, raise slightly above the required height, and lower gently. Rushing or misaligned placement shows poor control. Take your time to ensure level placement, which demonstrates professional skill. Lower the load gently. Don't drop or slam the pallet into place. Use smooth lever control for a gradual descent. Dropping loads causes damage and shows a lack of control. Gentle lowering demonstrates the care and precision of a competent operator. Park the truck properly to show a safe finish. Park in a designated area. Lower the forks completely flat on the ground. Apply the parking brake fully. Turn off the ignition and remove the key. Improper parking is an automatic fail. Finish strong by parking properly. Avoid these common fails. Speeding, traveling with raised forks, and not looking behind when reversing are automatic fails. Other major deductions come from clipped cones and poor parking. Stay calm, follow procedures, and demonstrate safe habits throughout the entire test. Listen to the examiner attentively. Pay close attention to every instruction they give. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification calmly if you are unsure about an instruction. Following instructions precisely demonstrates communication skills and attention to detail. Practice a consistent routine, including pre-operation checks, smooth starting, proper load handling steps like inserting, lifting, tilting, and the correct shutdown procedure. Repetition builds muscle memory, reduces anxiety, and increases confidence for test day success. You've got this. Pass with safety first. Stay steady. Follow the process and show safe habits every step of the way. Trust your preparation, focus on control, and demonstrate you are a safe, competent operator.